are all fine. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Priya Shankari. I am going to handle English class for you. Okay. Today we are going to see a play. The title of the play is Raghu's Adventurous. So already Valli ma'am has taught you till scene 4. Today I am going to handle from scene 5 to scene 8. Okay, before continuing the story, let me just recollect what the previous story has happened. Okay, the hero of the play is Raghu. So he is a 10 years old boy. His mother sells flour into the market. His father works in a factory. Okay, he's a 10 years old boy. So while his mother went to the market for selling the flour, he is just asking, what do you want me to buy while returning from the market? So Raghu replied, Mom, I need a drum. So Raghu's need is drum. So, but his mother bought a pieces of food. So, he understands his mother's situation and does not speak a word. He went out for playing. Raghu's friend name is Paplu. He went to the Paplu's house. In Paplu's house, an old woman is there. She is making a cooking. She continuously cough. Why he cough means because she used cow dung as a fuel. So, it gives a smoke. So, it causes irritation in the eye. So, she continuously cough. So, instead of a cow dung, Raghu gave a wood to this grandmother. Okay, her Raghu's mother bought what? Raghu's mother bought a wood. So he gave the wood to an old woman. So he gave the wood to the old woman. Instead of that, an old woman gave a roti to him. He prepared a delicious roti and gave the roti to him. Okay, by taking the roti, he walked on near to the bus stand. And woman is there. She is selling the part. Her baby is crying a lot. Why the baby is crying is because of hunger. So Raghu gave the roti to the young child. Okay, instead of that, what they are selling? They are selling the part. No, so the young mother gave a part to Raghu. Okay. So, young mother gave a bar, just a Raghu's need is drum, a Raghu's mother's just bought a wood for him. So, he take the wood and gave it to the old mother. Instead of that, old mother gave a roti to him, and by taking the roti, he gave the roti to the young child. Instead of that, a young mother gave a part to him. This is what the Valli ma'am has taught it. So, let me continue the rest of the story now. What's the work of the washerman? The washerman, he just washes the clothes. Before washing the clothes, what they will do? They will just boil the clothes in the pot. So now the pot is broken by the woman. So only they both are arguing with one another. So Raghu does not know anything. So he went near to him and he is asking what happened. The man is telling, I am having a heavy loads to carry, but for that I am asking her to carry my part for a while. Now she has broken my part. So now how do I boil the cloths without my part? So what will the customer will ask to me? All the customer will scold me. So what I can do like that? He shares his feeling to Raghu. Raghu said, don't worry, I am having already he is having a one part with him. No, so he gave the part to the man and he is saying it is a smaller pot, it is not as big as yours, so you can keep it with you for a while. For that the man is saying, okay, I will keep it, I will put the cloths I will put the smaller cloths in that pot. Okay, thank you so much. So in return a man offered a coat to him. Okay, now a riverside man, he offers a coat to Raghu. So with the coat, he again went in search of the Paplu. Who is Paplu? Raghu's friend. Okay, he went in search of the Paplu. He is already in search of the Paplu, no? So again he went in search of the Paplu again, and then an old woman is sitting on the bridge over the river. He is very shivering. So to that man, Raghu is asking, do you see any boy who is wearing a green shorts? The old man is saying, no, I did not see anyone. But the old man is shivering. What do you mean by shivering? For example, when you go to the cool places, how do you feel? You will get shivering, no? Like that, the man is shivering. So on seeing this, Raghu is having one coat, no? So he covers the coat around the man and asking, why? What happened to you? The old man is saying, a gang of robbers. Robbers means a thief, okay? A gang of a thief came to me and took everything to me, and they steals everything and they put me into the river, and I somehow managed to swim, so that I came up, like that. He is telling the whole story, and the old man is also having a horse with him. It is eating the grasses nearby. Now the horse is eating the grasses. So the thief only left the old man and the horse alone. Rest of the thing, they looted everything and went away. So thank you, my dear. You came to me, you came and helped to me. If you did not help me, I would have fallen sick. For example, if Raghu did not give this coat, what will be the situation of the old man? He will get very shivering and they may fall into sick. So by the right time, he gets given his coat. The coat warmed him up. In return, the old man gave a horse to Raghu. And old man at the bridge. So the old man at the bridge, he gave a horse to Raghu. So with the horse, he went again in search of the Paplu. He crossed the bridge to go to the other side of the village because he want to search a Paplu, no? So he went with the horse. In that village, there is a wedding house. In the wedding house, a group of men, they are dressed in silk and they are wearing a jewelry, and they all are waiting very anxiously in front of the house. At that time, Raghu and his horse just passes by. So on seeing the horse, one of the men, he came to Raghu and asked, can you please lend me a horse for a day, because we have to move on to the wedding procession. The groom has to travel by horse. Groom means who is groom? Groom means is a man who is about to marry. But we have already arranged for the horses to come, but the horseman did not come yet. It's already getting late. So can you please lend me a horse for a day? Like that, a man is asked requestingly, he is asking to Raghu. So Raghu, he gave a horse to him, and also he is saying that I don't need a horse for anymore, because if I take the horse to my home, my mom will not allow that. So let me take the horse now. Now what will the man will be given for you? What's the gift the man will be given? Can you guess anything? Yes. The old man, one of the men in the wedding troupe, he gave a drum for you. Already he is in need of a drum, no? So finally Raghu got a drum. One of the men in the wedding troupe. So what is the meaning of a troupe? Troupe means a group of dancers or actors or other entertainers. So the man gave a drum for him. So finally Raghu got a drum. On seeing the drum, Raghu was very happy and excited and admiringly seeing the drum. So finally he sees his friend. His friend name is Paplu. I have already told, no, he is searching for him. So he finally sees a Paplu, and he was sleeping on the grasses. He woke him up and sent him to home, and he also returning to the home. On returning to the home, all the way he is beating his new drum heavily. His face looked very happily, and he went to the house. His mother is asking, from where did you get the drum from? Raghu is saying, Mom, it's a glorious day for me. So he narrated the whole incident to this mother. So from the story we can understand that we should help the needy people. In return, your need will be fulfilled at the right time. Thank you.